Okay, good people. Here it is, another day in the life of rapper MD, Dr. Mary Washington, and I am about to meet my mentor who's teaching me farming techniques. This is the farm that we'll be going to, and I'll be here up until August on a weekend basis mostly. Trying to learn what it is to start seedlings, how to protect against Mother Nature, and also what to do in different types of increments. You guys know I'm here in Houston, so when it's raining, mostly, flash flood warnings, and then of course, well, we're not in the freeze yet because it's summer. But again, different techniques that I can bring to my own home and take with me, so no matter where I land up in this great beautiful planet that we own and are also encouraged to take care of, that I should be able to grow and source my own food. Talk to you later. Peace and happiness.